Are you looking for a way to automatically sync, transfer, or move files from Dropbox to Google Drive? With zzBots, you can now install this as a plugin from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for when a new file is added to the folder that you specify in Dropbox, and then automatically sync, transfer, or add that file to the folder that you choose in Google Drive. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Dropbox account. After your account is connected, select the folder that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your Google Drive account. After your account is connected, select the folder that you want to sync to. After you click Next and Install Now, this bot will be up and running. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. Although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by adding a new file to the folder that you specified in Dropbox. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. You can see the bot history for each bot, as shown here, that will show a history of each file synced over. The bot power used each time your bot syncs over a file will be shown here. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered by a new file in the specified Dropbox folder. You can see here that the file from Dropbox successfully synced over to Google Drive. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.